Hello, and welcome to The Lamp, the show where we shine a light on the latest and greatest in tech. I'm your host, Spazial, and today is Friday, which means it's time for our Friday Focus segment. This week, we're going to talk about how amazing and transformative the Oak D range of volumetric sensors are from Luxonis. These sensors are not only powerful and versatile, but also affordable and easy to use. Let me tell you why. First of all, what are volumetric sensors? Well, they are devices that can capture 3D data of objects and scenes in real time, using depth cameras and neural networks. They can be used for a variety of applications such as robotics, augmented reality, gesture recognition, face detection, object tracking, and more. Volumetric sensors can create immersive and interactive experiences that go beyond the limitations of 2D cameras. Now there are many volumetric sensors on the market, but none of them can match the performance and value of the Oak D range from Luxonis. The Oak D range consists of 3 models: the Oak D Lite, the Oak D Pro, and the Oak D 4K. Each model has its own features and advantages, but they all share some common characteristics that make them stand out from the competition. First of all, they are all based on the Intel Movidius Myriad X VPU, which is a powerful chip that can run deep neural networks at high speed and low power consumption. This means that the Oak D sensors can process complex tasks such as object detection, segmentation, pose estimation, and more on the device itself, without relying on external computers or cloud services. This reduces latency, bandwidth, and privacy issues. Secondly, they are all equipped with stereo depth cameras that can capture high-resolution depth maps of up to 1280 x 720 pixels at 30 frames per second. These depth maps can be used to measure distances, dimensions, volumes, and shapes of objects and scenes with high accuracy and precision. The depth cameras also have a wide field of view of up to 71 degrees horizontally and 43 degrees vertically, which means they can cover a large area with a single sensor. Thirdly, they are all compatible with OpenCV and Python, which are popular and easy-to-use tools for computer vision and machine learning. You can use these tools to create your own custom applications for the Oak D sensors, or use the existing examples and tutorials provided by Luxonis. You can also use the Depth AI library, which is a wrapper for OpenCV that simplifies the communication between the Oak D sensors and your computer. Finally, they are all very affordable and accessible. The Oak D Lite costs only $99 USD, the Oak D Pro costs $149 USD, and the Oak D 4K costs $199 USD. You can order them online from the Luxonis website or from authorized distributors. They come with everything you need to get started: a USB cable, a power adapter, a tripod mount, and a microSD card with pre-installed software. You just need to plug them into your computer and start exploring the possibilities of volumetric sensing. So there you have it. The Oak D range of volumetric sensors from Luxonis are amazing and transformative devices that can take your projects to the next level. If you want to learn more about them or order your own sensor, you can visit their website at https://luxonis.com/oak-d or follow them on social media at Luxonis. That's all for today's Friday Focus segment. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. I'll see you next week for another episode of The Lamp. Until then, stay bright.